Hello there. So you're gonna go ahead and stop people from seeing you on TikTok. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and teach you exactly how you can go ahead and do that. All you need to do is open your TikTok application, tap on your profile icon on the bottom right hand side of your screen, and then simply tap on the three lines menu right over here. And once you've done that, all you need to do is simply go ahead and tap on privacy and settings. So right over here, and then simply tap on profile view. It's normally inside of privacy or account sometimes, right? And right over here, what you want to do is simply go ahead and toggle switch next to the profile view history to turn it off. So one's going to be right over here. So turn this off right over here. And then the other thing you can do is on the top right over here, as you can see, there's profile views tab. You can just turn that off just like that. I hope this video clarified everything for you. If it did, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.